live today. It is our brand new K2 cooler. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this. Alright, pretty straightforward packaging. It's just a cardboard box, and we got the K2 cooler. This is the 30 gallon, it's square. Comes with a label on it. It looks like this was on the side. We need to stick that back on. Might have come off in the heat. Alright. It's got the rubber grommets on it here. They come all the way off. And inside are instructions. Looks like a sticker. Warranty card. Show you the inside of the cooler. It's a square space. It'll hold, I think, 28 cans. One thing that I noticed immediately about this is that it is not nearly as heavy as a similar size competitor that I've used before. So these just pop right back on. So drain plug, rubber feet, K2 cooler. It's going to go with us on the river. Available at k2coolers.com.